Removal of the inflated escape slide raft. In the cockpit, on the overhead panel 25 VU, make sure that the emergency exit light switch is set to the off position. Safety the related open passenger crew door with the safety barrier strap. Carefully pull the electrical harness to disconnect the quick release connector. Remove the loop of the survival kit lanyard, coloured in white, from the release trigger. Pull open the blue and green Velcro strap. Remove the yellow release strap from the release trigger. Pull the mooring line from the girt pocket and hold the escape slide raft with the mooring line. Pull the handle and the girt lace-up joint opens. The girt assembly is released from the girt bar. Carefully lower the escape slide raft to the ground. Remove the girt bar from the floor fittings. Pull the release trigger with your fingers. Hold the release trigger and move the telescopic end fitting. Now you can remove the girt bar and also the mooring line from the girt bar. Remove the upper attachments of the packboard with either one of the two procedures. Procedure 1. Pull the pull handles to disengage the quick release latches from the mounting pins and support the packboard. Procedure 2. Loosen the link nut. Remove the attach link and take the pull handle off the stud assembly pull handle. Hold the packboard and then, with the Allen key, remove the stud assemblies from the door. Support the packboard and move it inwards on the supports and hold it. Now, disconnect the electrical connector. Remove the packboard from the aircraft. Procedure with the escape slide raft lowered to the ground. Open the flapper valves of the aspirator to release the pressure from the escape slide raft. Remove the frangible links. Note: the exposed wire of the broken frangible links can cause damage to the slide inflatable material when the slide is packed.